In this video, we'll simulate a domino run using rigid body physics. I'll use the default cube for this. Numpad 7 for top view, S plus Y, and scale down 0.5 units on Y-axis. S plus X, and scale down 0.2 units on Y-axis. G plus Z, and move up 1 unit to sit above the axis. Control or Command plus A and apply scale. Now, add a path object. Tab into Edit mode. Press / to hide the rest. Numpad 7 for top view. Press X and delete all the vertices. Now select the Draw tool and draw a simple curve path. Adjust the curve angles and delete unwanted vertices. Tab into Object mode. Press / to unhide the rest. Select the cube and add an array modifier. Set shape to curve. Choose NURBS path for curve object. Uncheck relative space. Under Align rotation, set local rotation to 90. Set the count to 7. Now apply the array modifier. We need every tile to be an individual object. To do that, tab into Edit mode. Press P and separate by loose parts. Now, we have distinct individual objects. Select all the tiles and set origin to geometry. We don't need NURBS path anymore. Hide it in the outliner. Now add a mesh plane. Scale it 10 times. Next, add a UV sphere. G plus Z and move it up 1 units. G plus X and move it to the left. G plus Y and align it parallel to the first tile. Now we can work on rigid body simulation. First, select the plane. Add rigid body simulation in Physics tab. Set the type to passive. Select the sphere, right-click and shade smooth. Add a rigid body simulation. Set mass to 5 kilograms. Select the first tile from left. Add rigid body. Now select all the remaining tiles. Shift plus left-click on the first tile. Under Object menu, select Rigid Body, then Copy from Active. This copies the rigid body settings from first tile to all the other tiles. Now select the sphere. Numpad 1 for front view. G plus Z and move it up a bit. In the rigid body settings, enable Animated. Expand the Dope Sheet section. Press N to open the Transform panel. Mouse over and press I on location. Also, click on the white dot next to Animated to add a keyframe. Move the playhead to frame 8. In location, set Z to 1 meter and reduce X by about 2 meters. Mouse over and press I on location. Again, click on the diamond shape next to Animated to add a keyframe. Move the playhead to frame 9. Uncheck Animated and add a keyframe. Now move the playhead to frame 1 and play the animation. The simulation is working. We'll just have to reposition the last 2 tiles. Replay the animation. The simulation is working as intended. Now, let's add some materials to the objects. Switch to Material Preview. Select a tile and set the material name as dominoes. Switch to Shader Editor. Select just the principal BSDF. Press Ctrl plus T to add texture setup. Delete the image texture node. Add a wave texture. Connect mapping output to wave texture and wave texture to principal. Add a color ramp node in between wave and principal node. Change the white color in color ramp to red. I'll adjust the distortion in Wave Texture node. That should be enough for the tile. Select the sphere. Add a new material. Also, switch back to Dope Sheet. I'll adjust the material settings to make the sphere translucent. I'll set the plane material to be reflective. Switch to Render Preview. I have Easy HDRI add-on installed that allows you to switch between HDRIs effortlessly. I highly recommend this. I'll use the Blue Photo Studio HDRI downloaded from polyhaven.com. I'll adjust the view. Control plus Alt or Option plus Numpad 0 aligns the camera to view. Tweak the camera position a bit. In Render Properties, enable Ray Tracing. I'll add a plane light probe. Resize the plane. Go to the plane properties. Enable Capture. G+Z and move the plane up just a bit until the reflection appears. Now play the animation. The simulation is complete. Thanks for watching.